Hello, Richard here, and welcome to the workshop. And today I want to answer the question, can you use LED strip lighting to light your workshop? So let me show you around quickly. Okay, so this is my workshop. Well, I'll say workshop, it's more of a kind of lean-to conservatory that I'm temporarily using as a workshop space. And as such, it doesn't actually have any built-in lighting. All we've got these rafters, and up until recently, I'd had to work using lamps such as the like of this, which is all right, but it does cast a lot of shadows. So I thought, well, okay, maybe what I could do is use LED strip lighting, as you can see here, and see if I can use that to actually illuminate the entire room. Now, the whole room here is about 7 meters long. We're just sort of down the end of it. And I was really unable to find any information online as to whether this was even doable. There's lots of people have sort of used this sort of stuff for ambience and things, you know, putting little green and purple glows around coves in their rooms and things. But no one seems to have actually used it for sort of area lighting. So I thought I'd film it here in the daylight so you can sort of see what I've got. And what we've got is, this is 50-50 LED strip. It's 50-50 because the LEDs are 5mm by 5mm. And there are, on this one, there's 60 LEDs per meter. That won't really tell you a lot because they do vary, you know, even, no two 50-50 LEDs are necessarily the same. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what I've got set up here. So as you can see with this, all I've done is I've just cable tied the LED strip onto the rafters. So like if you had a garage with rafters and you want more lighting, then, you know, this is something you could do. It's very sort of temporary. It's not permanent. It's just a few cable ties here and there. And then at the end of it, I've just tidied the wires away and they just come around here and they go into a 4-gang mains extension lead. And I can just simply then plug that into the one socket I happen to have here, and then I can just turn the lights on and off from there. So yeah, dead simple, not too expensive. I think the whole lighting rig, I'm running 2 strips. There's one on this side as well, as you can see up here. So running both of these, there's one down that rafter, and then there's another one down here as well. They cost me, I think it was £13 UK each, so £26 all in, so I guess $26. So yeah, not bad. And the total wattage, just for the sort of the technical side of it, they're 10 watts per meter, these ones, and they're 7 meters each. So that in total, the whole space is about 140 watts of lighting. Not that tells you really how bright it is, but as I say, we'll find out later when we come and have a look. And then what we'll do is we'll come back later, come back when it's dark, and I'll power it all up and show you whether you can use LED strip lighting to illuminate your entire workshop. Welcome back. Okay, it's night time, and I'll just turn this back off in a moment so you can see just how dark it is out here. So hopefully you can't see anything at all right now because it's absolutely pitch black. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach over and turn the lights on, and then you can sort of see what a difference it makes. There you go. So that's quite a transformation. You can just see just how much light these things give out. Let me just swing you around and show you the room again. Because the light's over such a broad area, it doesn't really cast that many shadows. If I sort of bring you over to where the lathe is, you can have a look at that. And from what I can tell on the camera, that's kind of how it looks to me. It's maybe a little bit dark. I would put a lamp on if I was working on it, but certainly plenty enough light to see by. Now what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description to the lights that I used in case you want to get the same kind of thing. Like I said, they're 50-50 LED strips, mains powered, 60 LEDs per meter, and the color I went for was warm white, so you should be able to see there's a slight sort of yellowness to the light. I chose not to go with white or the really bluey white. That can look a little bit clinical. But yeah, there you go. Nice sort of overall even lighting, and it certainly makes the space useful. So yeah, I highly recommend it if you need to light up a dim space. I mean, you don't have to light up a workshop. You could light up a garage or a workspace of any kind, or any area really. But yeah, they give out plenty of light, and it's a really cost-effective, easy way to do it. So anyway, I hope you found that video useful, and until next time, thanks for watching.